Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make filling text animation in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make filling text animation in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type video, or you can see here video. Just click here. After that, choose the type of the video you are looking for. For example, this one, video 80 1090 1920 by 1080. And after that, here choose the background color. Okay, for example, red. And then text, add a heading, and here you can type, for example, creative. Then just increase the size and change the text color to white. And here, if you want to change the font, okay, for example, Anton. After that, go to effects and then hollow, and decrease the thickness, okay, to, for example, 20. And then now just play the video. Okay, and then here right click, split page, and then here we add transition. We choose, for example, okay, line wipe. Okay, and then click the second page and click the text, and then effect, and then here none. Okay, now let's replay the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to make filling text animation in Canva. And please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.